Now, in the latest initiative by NCERT, Operation Sindoor is set to be included in textbooks soon. Students are set to learn about India's military triumph. Remember, Operation Sindoor was a retaliatory operation that India had conducted after the Pahalgam terror attack conducted by Pakistan, or perhaps supported by Pakistan, and India had conducted these strikes on Pakistani terror bases that were there in Pakistan. 16 special modules are set to be included by NCERT till June. The modules will be for classes 3 to 12, highlighting India's security and diplomacy, military might, as well as India's military response, especially Operation Sindoor. This is an aim to boost national pride, to focus on India's military achievements and ensure that students are aware of the successful operation and Pakistan's defeat in the new textbooks, which will also be mentioning the surgical strikes that took place in Balakot. My colleague Anushka joins us with more details. Anushka, take us through the details of what exactly is going to be included in these NCERT books when it comes to Operation Sindoor.
That's right. The NCERT is preparing 2 modules that will be in fact describing about the Operation Sindoor that took place on May 7th. Now, the 2 modules will be introduced to students from class 3rd to 8, and then from 9th to 12th. The whole module is going to be of 10 to 12 pages that will be describing India's military prowess and how India defeated Pakistan once again, is what the Education Ministry sources have said. And also what we are learning is that both the modules are right now being prepared. Those will be introduced in the textbooks of NCERT. Not just that, several other crucial details will also be in fact included in both the modules that are being prepared and will be introduced from class 3 to 8. For the first module is going to be introduced for students who are from class 3rd to class 8, and then the second module will be introduced to students from class 9th to class 12th, which is right now being prepared, is what the NCERT textbook is saying. Not just that, it will also be mentioned in the module that how India attacked Pakistan-based terror bases and military infrastructure, and how India defeated Pakistan once again. And Operation Sindoor was launched, and it had in fact very specifically in fact highlighted India's military prowess in the in the attacks that happened after the Pahalgam attack, and after that India had launched Operation Sindoor, and that is what is NCERT is about to introduce in their textbook in NCERT. Over to you.